and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's look is another with this gorgeous wig from Gates. As I said in my last video, which I will link up here I think, or these corners, this wig is absolutely gorgeous and I love the colour. And I also said that I had an idea in mind of what makeup to do with it. And as soon as I got this wig and saw the colour, I remember that I'd seen this picture on Pinterest and the hair colour is pretty much the same, and I was obsessed with this look. The hair, the makeup, it was just gorgeous. So I thought I would have a go at recreating that makeup look for you. Obviously it is a really wintry look, so it's perfect for December. And yeah, so of course this is the picture I'm using. So if you want to see how I did that look and made it my own but sort of stayed quite similar to the image, then carry on watching. So this is my finished look using that picture from Pinterest as my inspiration and sort of copied little bits of it. As you can see, the purple lip actually goes so well with this wig, and like I've already said, I'm obsessed with this wig anyway, so finding looks that actually work with it and that I can wear, I'm all good. You have to let me know as well if you would like me to do more Pinterest inspired makeup looks, as there are so many on there. You're literally like spoilt for choice. But I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please get a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another. Bye!